Finance Practice Exercises number 15. You have $500,000 saved for retirement. Your account earns 6% interest. How much will you be able to pull out each month if you want to be able to take withdrawals for 20 years? Okay, so you are withdrawing a certain amount of money every single month. You are taking money out, okay? So that would be your payout annuity, all right? So let's take note of all of the information that we've been given. And I think we're ready to put these values into the variables in our formula. So I'll pause as I do that. Okay. So as we have been doing on every other problem similar to this, we are going to compute this amount here in our calculators. And then we're going to take this $500,000 and we can divide by that amount. Again, we would have saved it to a variable, or we can just scroll to that particular value and go ahead and divide that. And so what we will get then is $3,582.16.